Every household has the most important places to use many times. One is kitchen, the other one is a washroom. In the washroom, we use the toilet, lavatory, and the shower many times a day. If the faucet of the lavatory has a drip problem, what do you do? Headache, fear, panic. No. Today, I'm going to look at the water drip problem of the washroom faucet to see if I could improve it. So let's go and to find it out. So now this is the faucet of the lavatory. It has a drip problem. If I wanted to open this first, so I have to clip this one. Okay, this is the cover on the top. So there's a screw here. So you turn you screw it and screw it, so you can take out the handle. Okay, so after you take off the handle, okay, then you will see this one. Okay, is setting on here like this with there's a screw. It's tied up. So when you unscrew it, okay, you unscrew it using one of the tools. Let me show you the tool. So this is a plier. Okay, you just hold it and tie it up. Then the screw can be removed. Okay, you remove it. So this is a screw, very big screw. Then this is the cartridge. You just need one of the something to unclick it, because either you pull or there's one seat you can click it, then you can pull up. So this is the cartridge. Mostly there's one gasket here, and mostly this gasket is okay. Stop the water coming from this area, spill out. But mostly the problem is coming here. So this is the area, okay. But underneath, under here, so there's the spring and the gasket. So look at the gasket. See, the gasket has, there's a broken. Yeah, see? Yeah, you can see that broken. So that's why it caused a leak, the drip problem when you turn off. Okay, because this is the one. Okay, when you turn on, turn off, you turn. So the water will go, when you turn this place, water will go there, and water will coming out. If you turn the other side, okay, then water will stop. So that is so this is the gasket do the job. Okay, so that's why when you keep turning and off, so the gasket will be square ear, will be putting on keep it to here, so it will wear out quickly. Yeah, see, there's the spring has to put in the inner circle. The gasket will be floating. So that is how, when you using the cartridge push down, your spring will hold on the cartridge. Since the faucet is old, and you can just go and to buy this from the Canadian Tire. To buy this one, probably a couple of dollars, but you will get the problem many times. So this is old style. So I decided to upgrade to buy another new one, so it will remove the hassle. So it can have a better quality of the life. So let's find out. Let's do it. So since I decided to upgrade, to replace it, so there's two things you have to do it. Most important to do. One is, of course, you have to turn off. This is hot water switch, and this is a cold water switch. You have to turn off. The other one is there are screw here, two screw. Okay, one here. The other side, down the far side, is another screw. So you can turn off this one, okay, and screw it, so you can remove. So I take a wire to unscrew this one. Okay, unscrew this one. Okay, and unscrew this one. Okay. So same as the farther side, there's another screw, and on top there's a white screw. So I unscrew it. Okay. So I unscrew it, and you pull this up. Okay. You take this the top faucet, pull up, then you can remove. Okay. So another side. Okay. Unscrew. Okay, same as unscrew here. Okay, finally you can pull up. Okay, something like this. Okay. Okay, so we can clean up this area, then put a new one. So this is a new one. Okay, it comes with the whole set of this. Okay, the whole set. I think it looks great. Yeah, and in addition, they have come with the pipe. Okay, pipe and control. So probably I don't know whether we need it because we already has the downpour, the pipe. So probably we'll save it, but we will just install this one. Okay, this main part to on this area. So okay, let's see. In this set, okay, we have to unscrew this one. Okay, because this is a fasten to be tied up on the basin. Okay, and this plate, there's a plastic plate, is cover on here, and this screw will be fastened underneath under here. So okay, so we will do it. Okay, the old pipe is a plastic compressed style, the pipe. Okay, compression style. Okay, because it's like too long, and this is the other one is also too long, so I will be replace it. There's another problem here, because right here, the one put on it here, there's a gap. Okay, between here and here, it's not even. So I think I will put the putty. Okay, putty under this is a plastic plate under the, so that okay, it will avoid the water go down, because there's a leak. See? When you buy the connector, flexible connector, there's one for the faucet. Okay, the other one is for the toilet, so they are different. Okay, the toilet one a little bit big, so when you the toilet one, the faucet one is smaller, so be careful. Faucet is not even with the lavatory, so I put the putty underneath around this faucet area, so it will avoid the leak, the water go into there. So this is help you. So I will going to fasten underneath. So finally I tied up, so you can see that the putty spread out. Okay, squeeze out, so you can see around this faucet. Okay, I bought 2 flexible connector. So I'm going to connect the pipe from here to here, and the other one and 2 there. So now I connect the flexible connector to each one, and on the top here, okay, see here, another one. Okay, so this is another one, connector this connector to another one. Okay, another this one. Okay, because this is a copper. Okay, copper. So when you tie it up, yeah, don't tie the too using too tight, because this is soft. Okay, so when you squeeze, when you tight, okay, don't tie too much, otherwise it will, this is a pipe, it will get a twist. Okay, so just tie it up. You don't need the pipe tape to wrap it, so just tie it up. I think it's straightforward. Okay, since this is a very tiny space, you don't have much the tool to wiggle around. Okay, so I turn on the water, cold water and warm water pipe switch, so you can see now the water is going up, go up now. Okay, so I can wipe out this excess, and this is putty away. Okay, so now should be looks good. So I turn on this. Okay, completely. Okay, so no leak. Okay, around this area, the pipe, no leak. So that is good. Okay, so you should be able to do it. Okay, like me, to do it. Okay, so this is completed the finish of the new installation of the new faucet. So it looks nice compared with the old one. So this is much better. So you enjoy the quality of the life. Compared with using the old one, you have to turn cold water and hot water separate. But this faucet, you can just turn one, then you get the hot water and cold water all together. So this is good for you. Okay, so this is a complete the finish of the project. Share some of the side note to you during this working on the project. So I brought back the old one and the new one. Okay, you can compare each other, so you can see the old one, yeah, it's old, but it's still workable. But the new one, you get the good quality of the products, and you enjoy the life of quality. So you don't have to using the old one. Okay, but besides, I run across the problem during the installation. So see, if I wanted to see it, if the screw you want to tie it up, I think a lot of people will run across the problem. It's because when this is tied up very tight, okay, you don't know which direction to unlock. Okay, for example, for this one you want to unlock, but which direction? This way or this way? This way or this way? Same as this one, you want to do this way or this way, okay, to unlock. So that is confused a lot of people, even confused me too. And so I need to make sure when I do right. Okay, so this one go this way. Okay, this is tight. Okay, getting tight. And this one and go here is loose. Okay, same as here. You go here, go this direction, that's tight. Go here is loose. Okay, so that is mostly important. The last one I wanted to point out, you may run across the case, something like this, because this is not much space in there. So you have to using this screwdriver and using hammer to hammer this. Okay, go this way. Okay, like this, hammer this. Okay, this way. But sometimes you can, because see, I get something like you look here, it's all bent. Okay, I mean it's almost when I hit it almost, because this is plastic. So you will get something break. Okay. So this is so that means you have to put down a little bit top here. So the worst case, okay, this is the plastic. Worst case is you have to destroy. Okay, destroy to broken this plastic, break this one. Okay, so that you can lose it. Okay, that is the worst case because sometimes. So luckily, right now is I realize I broke one of the clip here. So then I do it right. So otherwise I may just broke the clip. So I end up I needed to tear down everything. Tear down this plastic, the screw. Okay. So this is just the side note for you to do. When you do and unscrew these things, you may run across the problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so I will see you next project.